Welcome back to the channel where we turn AI into your ultimate business bestie. If you have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you do not want to be on camera, this is literally for you, because today I'm showing you how to use AI to create faceless YouTube videos and make money doing it. So grab your coffee, grab your notebook, and let's get into it. Okay, first things first, what even is faceless content? Basically, it's YouTube videos where you never have to show your face, no hair done, no makeup, no camera anxiety, none of that. It's just your voice, visuals, and value. And honestly, these channels are blowing up. You've seen them. Motivational, quote, compilations, travel montages, tutorials with just screen recordings. That's all faceless content. Why does it work so well? 3 reasons. Number 1, it's fast. No long filming setups. Number 2, it's scalable. You can batch and automate. Number 3, it feels universal. Viewers focus on the content, not the creator. And for us introverts or busy moms, faceless channels are a literal game changer. I promise you don't need anything crazy expensive. Here's my starter kit. For scripting, I use ChatGPT. Literally type in, write me a 5-minute YouTube script on a topic in a friendly conversational tone. Boom, instant script. For visuals, you've got options, Pictory, InVideo, or Canva Pro. These let you turn text into full-on videos with stock footage and music built in. For voiceovers, if you don't want to use your own voice, try HeyGen or ElevenLabs. They create realistic AI voices that sound like real people, not robots. For thumbnails and titles, Canva for design, and I even use ChatGPT for click-worthy title ideas. All right, so you've got the tools. Now let's talk money. There are 4 main ways faceless channels get paid. Number 1, AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for ads. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Add links to products you mention in your video descriptions. Number 3, digital products. Sell your own stuff like ebooks, prompts, or templates. Number 4, brand deals. Once you grow, companies will pay you to feature them, even faceless. The trick, build trust with your content first, then monetize. If you're stuck on what to post, here are some faceless video ideas that always hit. Top 5 AI tools that save you hours every day. 10 passive income side hustles you can start right now. How I made $100 in a weekend using AI. These are searchable, binge-worthy, and easy to repurpose on TikTok and Instagram too. Here's your homework. Pick one niche. Don't overthink it. AI tools, side hustles, finance, whatever you vibe with. Write one video script in ChatGPT today. Use Pictory or InVideo to turn it into a faceless video and post it. Don't wait until it's perfect. Just get your first one up and learn as you go. So if you've been waiting for a sign to finally start that faceless channel, this is it. No excuses. AI just made this too easy. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on any of these tools next. See y'all in the next video.